Hello friends, is your car showing a system voltage malfunction warning? If your obd2 scanner is displaying code P0560, it means your car's electrical system voltage is out of range. This can lead to starting issues, dim lights, or even sudden engine shutdowns. In this video, I'll explain what P0560 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0560? The P0560 code stands for System Voltage Malfunction. Your vehicle's battery, alternator, and voltage regulator work together to keep voltage levels stable. If the engine control module ECM detects voltage too high or too low, it triggers code P0560. This issue can affect engine performance, electrical systems, and even cause breakdowns. Common symptoms of P0560: check engine light cell is on dimming or flickering headlights, battery warning light on dashboard, hard starting or car won't start, loss of power while driving, radio, AC, or other electronics malfunctioning. If you're noticing these symptoms, let's locate the problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0560, check these key components. Battery. Location: in the engine bay, sometimes in the trunk for some models. Alternator. Location: bolted to the engine, connected by a serpentine belt. Voltage regulator, often built into the alternator. Location: inside or attached to the alternator. Battery cables and ground wires. Location: connected to the battery terminals and grounding points on the chassis. Tip: a weak or failing alternator is a common cause of P0560. Common causes of P0560: weak or failing battery. Old batteries can't hold a charge properly. Faulty alternator. A bad alternator won't generate the correct voltage. Corroded or loose battery cables. Dirty or damaged connections disrupt power flow. Defective voltage regulator can cause overcharging or undercharging. Bad ground connection. A weak ground can cause unstable voltage readings. ECM malfunction, rare but possible misreading of voltage levels. How to fix P0560. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0560 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the battery voltage with a multimeter. Should be 12.6V when off, 13.814.8V when running. Step 3. Check the alternator output while the engine is running. If it's below 13V or above 15V, the alternator might be faulty. Step 4. Inspect battery terminals and cables for corrosion or loose connections. Step 5. Check the voltage regulator inside the alternator for failure. Step 6. Replace any faulty components and clear the code. Final words. Ignoring P0560 can lead to battery failure, engine shutdowns, and costly repairs. Fixing it early ensures a smooth and reliable ride. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0368. Camshaft position sensor B circuit high. P0369. Camshaft position sensor B circuit intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.